Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone model and iOS version support lockdown mode, otherwise the option won't appear. Once done, back up your device to iCloud or a computer so you can restore data if needed. You need your Apple ID password and the device passcode. Keep them ready. Now open Settings, tap Privacy and Security, and scroll to Lockdown mode. Tap it to view what will change. This step sets context and prevents data loss. You now enable lockdown mode. Tap Enable Lockdown Mode and read the confirmation screen so you understand restrictions. Once you confirm, the phone may prompt for a restart. Allow it, reboots finalize system-level protections. After reboot, check Messages, FaceTime, web browsing, and other apps to see what's restricted. Some features are blocked intentionally for security. Make sure essential contacts are whitelisted if necessary, and verify apps to finish test key workflows, calling, messaging, VPN, and browsing. If something fails, disable lockdown mode temporarily to confirm it's the cause. Toggling off and on helps isolate behavior. Once identified, restore from the backup you made only if configuration is corrupted. Avoid repeated restores because they can complicate state. If problems persist, gather diagnostics and contact Apple support. They can read system logs and advise. Remember, lockdown mode trades convenience for security, so evaluate needs before leaving it enabled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.